Here zeros of the polynomial. We are going to learn zeros of the polynomial. You know polynomial is in the form of a0 x to power 0 plus a0 a1 x to power 1 plus a2 x to power 2 dot 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 a to power n an x to power n. So here a0 a1 a2 n are the coefficient or constant terms, constants, and x1 x and all the things are variables. So here we can write polynomial p of x. Suppose I have taken here x minus 1. One polynomial is what? Linear polynomial x minus 1. Here the degree of the variable is how much? 1. So I can write polynomial of x. If I am writing here polynomial of y, then it will be y minus 1 because the variable here it is y. So we can write polynomial of y, or we can write function of x equal to x minus 1, right? Or we can write function of y equals to y minus 1. This is also another way. So here x minus 1 is the polynomial. Now we are going to learn the zeros of the polynomial. So here by taking different values of x like 0, 1, minus 1, polynomial of x, x minus 1. So here we will take polynomial of x minus 1. In that place x value will be 0, then here it will be in the place of 0 minus 1 equals to minus 1. So when I am taking the value of x as 0, I am getting the value of the polynomial is what? Minus 1. Then p of 1, then in the place of x minus 1 I will take 1 minus 1, that is what? 0. So when I am taking the value of x as 1, the value of a polynomial becomes 0. So here 1 is called the 0 of the polynomial x minus 1, or we can say 1 is the root of the polynomial, right? Because why? By putting the value of x equals to 1, the value of polynomial becomes what? 0 here. So for that 1 is called the 0 of the polynomial. Now division of polynomials. This is one quadratic polynomial. We are dividing by one linear polynomial. So here 2x square plus 3x plus 3 divided by x minus 2. So here some techniques you have to follow. Here first term is x, here first term is 2x square. I have 2x square in the dividend and I have x with in the divisor. Now question is that which number I will multiply to get 2x square with x. So here 2 and here no 2. So 2, here x to the power 2, here only x. So here I will multiply with x. Now 2 into x, that is 2x, and x to x, that is 2x square. That means my term to multiply here with this binomial is 2x. So I will write here 2x. And here the sign of the dividend is plus, here also it is plus. So no need to multiply any sign. So 2 1s are 2, x into x, x square. Now second term you have to multiply. Whatever term we have fixed, you have to multiply with the second one. 2x with 2 plus minus minus 2 2s are 4, x 1s are x. So the plus sign changes to minus, minus sign changes to plus. 2x square minus 2x square is what? 0. 3x plus 4x. Now here the sign already changed, because in the subtraction of polynomial we have learned the second polynomial sign will change into opposite. So here this is the second polynomial, so the sign changes to opposite. Plus become minus, minus become plus. So 2x square minus 2x square is 0, plus 3x plus 4x equals to 7x. Now plus 3 at the bottom. Now again the division is continuing. Here first term is 7x, here first term is x. So here 7x we have to find out by multiplying x with someone. So here first term is x, here first term is 7x. Which one is missing here? 7 is missing. Why? Because 7 you will multiply with x, then you will get 7x. So here my term is what? 7 fixed. So here you have to multiply with this to the whole binomial. 7 into x, 7x, plus minus minus, 7 to the 14. Now the sign will change, plus into minus, minus into plus. 7x minus 7x is 0, plus 3 and plus 14, that is what? 17. Now here first term is x, here first term is only 17. So no need to find the continuing division. This is the remainder of this division. This is what? Division of the polynomials.